How much should you really spend on interior car lights? I mean, you've got options under $15, others pushing $30, but does the price actually mean better quality? Some cheap ones work great, while pricier ones end up in the return pile. Let's figure out which ones are actually worth your cash. Product number 1, Govee Smart RGB Strip Lights. First up, the Govee Car LED Lights. This one caught my eye because it's from a brand known for smart home lighting, and it's priced right at $25.69. If you want full control over your car's vibe with your phone, this is worth a serious look. The app lets you pick from 16 million colors, and the DIY mode means you can create custom lighting effects that match your mood or music. The built-in mic syncs the lights to any song, bass drops, color changes, the whole deal. It uses a 2-line design so wiring stays hidden, and installation is clean with adhesive and support clips. Over 6,000 people bought this last month, which says something. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who drives at night or loves road trips, having lights that react to your music makes the experience way more fun. The app control means no fumbling with remotes, just tap and go. Now, some people complained about the adhesive losing grip after a few weeks. Here's the thing though, they include zip ties for extra support, and as long as you clean the surface and don't peel it off repeatedly, it holds up fine. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech, customizable setup without going overboard on price. Skip this one if you hate apps or just want simple plug-and-play lights. For the features you get, it's solid value. Product number 2, WinZone USB-powered RGB strips. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're on a budget. The WinZone LED lights at just $12.84. Don't let the low price fool you, this one's also got app control, music sync, and works in cars, trucks, even golf carts. It's USB powered, which means safer, lower heat, and you can plug it into a power bank if needed. The built-in mic picks up music rhythm well, and the app gives you tons of color options and preset modes. Over 6,000 bought it last month, so clearly people are loving the price-to-feature ratio. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want ambient lighting for dates, parties, or just to make night drives less dull, this delivers the mood without breaking the bank. The long cable makes it easy to route around any car interior. Now some people complain the USB adapter feels flimsy and can overheat if left plugged in too long. Here's the thing though, just unplug it when not in use and it's totally fine. It's not built for 24/7 use, but for occasional vibes, perfect. This is perfect for you if you want colorful, app-controlled lights on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty durability or plan to leave it running constantly. For under $15, it's a steal. Product number 3, TKSHINY Wireless Touch Lights. Now, if the last two needed wiring, this next one takes a completely different approach. The TKSHINY Wireless Touch Lights at $16.70. These are tiny, magnetic, rechargeable pods you can stick anywhere under seats, in armrests, even your glove box. They come in 7 colors, controlled by touch, and charge via USB in just 40 minutes for about 2 hours of light. No wires, no apps, just tap to change colors or turn on off. Over 5,000 bought them last month, mostly for their portability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need light in tight, dark spots where strips won't fit, these are a game changer. Lost keys, phone, these give you instant visibility without blinding you. The magnetic base lets you move them around easily. Now, some people complain the battery life is short, only 2 hours. Here's the thing though, they're not meant to run all night. They're for quick access, not ambient lighting. Charge them while you drive, use them when needed. This is perfect for you if you want flexible, wire-free lighting for small spaces. Skip this one if you want full car coverage or long runtime. For spot lighting, they're unmatched. Product number 4, iFunny LED 24-piece LED bulb kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're replacing old, dim factory bulbs. The iFunny LED 24-piece kit at $16.70. This isn't ambient lighting, it's a full replacement set for map lights, dome lights, trunk lights, license plates, basically every bulb inside your car. They're 300% brighter than stock, 6500K white, and plug right in, no wiring needed. Over 3,000 bought it last month, mostly for upgrades. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your car's interior lights are yellow and weak, this instantly modernizes the look and improves visibility. The 50,000-hour lifespan means you'll never replace them again. Here's the thing though, they include a pry tool and cover all common sizes, T10, DE30, 175, 578, so as long as you double-check your manual, it's a breeze. This is perfect for you if you want brighter, cleaner lighting without LEDs that flash to music. Skip this one if you want RGB colors or app control. For pure function, it's a winner. Product number 5. QVEVD-ACAR 5-in-1 Fiber Optic Kit. Finally, the QVEVD-ACAR 5-in-1 kit at $26.85. This one's for people who want a premium, futuristic look. It uses fiber optic cables that glow evenly along the entire length, giving a smooth, high-end ambient effect. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want your car to look like it came out of a sci-fi movie, this delivers that seamless, professional glow no strip can match. The fiber doesn't get hot, so it's safe around kids. Now, some people complain the ends can be dim if not installed right. Here's the thing though, they recommend adding an extra LED at the end for full brightness, and once you do, it's stunning. This is perfect for you if you want show-quality lighting and don't mind a bit of setup. Skip this one if you want quick and easy. For the look, it's unmatched. So which one's best? Govee if you want smart features and music sync. Wins one if you're on a budget. TKSHINY for wireless spot lighting. iFunny LED if you just need brighter bulbs. And QVEVD-ACAR if you want that premium fiber optic glow. Price doesn't always mean better, it's about what fits your needs. Pick the one that matches your style and your car will thank you.